Hi guys! Welcome to my another unboxing video. Oo, nabudol na naman tayo kay Ate Barbie. So, dumating yung dalawang ko parcel from Manila. Oo. Someone sell me a vintage Barbie, and this one is our production one. So, we will start with this one lang muna. So, excited na ako. Yes, actually this is a vintage one. 1960s. I don't know if this is I don't know her, but I keep searching online. Ano daw to is Midge the yan, ito na siya. Oh, there's a freebie. By the way, thank you so much Malibu, House of Malibu, for the freebies. Ito po siya, yan. I don't know what's inside kasi I got this during Halloween. So try to give me some treats like chocolate. Ay, may mata, ganun, may chocolate, may dice. Oh, dapat kainin daw agad-agad. Yes, so, mga candies. Thank you for this. Ayan, here. Cute dito, oh. This is, cheese. This is cheese. And not for dogs, Akirami. Chocolate's not for dogs. It's bad for dogs, okay. Thank you for this, cute Halloween bag of treats. So, let's start with the Barbies. Dalawa sila. I have the Ken and the Barbie. Yes, here. It's Rika Diva 18. Rika Diva May-an. I'm so happy to have them. Ay, paano ba ito mag-open? So, let's scissor them na lang. Ayan. So, maya na to si yung box. Yan na siya. Here's the dress. They're the vintage ones also. So, let's start with the Barbie muna. We will not make this video longer. Yan, naka-bubble. Oh my God! Yan na siya. I hope, lang, yung damage daw niya is, may damage kasi sa kamay, but, yes, wala problem lang. Kasi, I'm good at restoring Barbie, vintage Barbies. Ayan, ito na siya. Oh my God. She's so pretty, and she looks like me also. Oh my God, yung katawan niya. Ay, bongga. Walang damage yung mukha. Yung kamay lang. Yung fingers. Yan. Oo, lalagyan ito ng fingers siya, no? Don't you worry. Ayan. Actually, this is a bubble cut. Yes, this is Midge. Oo. Barbie's friend. O, gusto ko kasi mga ganito na Barbies, mga vintage. O, parang kamukha ko. Yung mata na gano'n. Parang nananapak ko. O, ganun. Mga type ko. Yan. This is my type of Barbies that I love. Mga vintage, ganun siya, yan. Oo. My God. I have a bubble cut Midge Barbie. Oh, this is Midge. May good condition. Oo, may little cuts lang sa mga hands, but don't you worry, we will make gloves for them, yan. Bubble cut yan siya. So, liliguin ko siya later. And then, we will try to restore the hand muna, and then we will going to wrap them with hair bleach. Kasi para yung skin tone niya, yung kamay kasi niya is pati yung mukha niya. Oh my God, I love this. I love the eyes. So perfect. Oh my God, you're so pretty. Maliligo ka later. Ganyan siya muna. Ganyan siya. Yan ang mga vintage. I have it here also nasa ibabaw. Yan. Yan is fashion queen. So I have the Ken here. Ito din si Ken. Oh my God, ang gwapo ni Ken. Wala na lang yung niya, kiss mark. May kiss mark sana ito siya. Kiss me on the cheeks. This is 2010 Mattel. Gwapo ni Ken. Oh, yan. This is my Ken. Oh my God. Oh, dyan ang mga Ken ko dyan ba? Ano na sa 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my 4th one. So I'm planning to get the number 1 Ken, the old one. So soon, Tunlon. He's so handsome. Oh, pero yung buhok niya, na fanot na lang siya slide here. But we will reroute that. Don't you worry, Ken. We will find some hair that match this one. Napapanot na siya. You're so handsome, ha? Oh, you reminded me of my ex-boyfriend. Siya. This is kiss me on the cheeks. Nawala kasi yung kiss mark dito sa cheeks niya. Or this is Malibu Ken. I don't know. Mostly kasi Ken is flat feet. Yan siya. So, dito lang muna kayo. Yan, tabi kayo mag bold star. Naka bold star sled siya. So, here's the dress. Mga dress na vintage. Actually, I bid with this one. Oo, na-bid ko ito kasi this is a very, pag vintage talaga, mariming habol. Oh, ito, this one. See, this is a vintage gingham dress from a curly, yata curly something. I forgot. Try na to dress, but I will going to dress ito my fashion queen. Oo. May pink, may other pink dress naman siya. This is what it looks like. Ang ganda nito, oh my god. If you're a Barbie collector, naku, you would be happy getting this dress talaga. This is a vintage one. Sayang na unahan ako sa Barbie nito. Damage na kasi, sobrang damage kasi vintage na vintage. Pag vintage, madali lang sila. Complicated kasi yung mga pero mas talaga compared sa mga Barbie now. Ito yung dress. Ayan. Yan siya. Yan. This is the vintage. Di ba? Ang ganda. Pagpaikli yan. Yan siya. Now, here's another dress. This is a vintage one also. Yan. Pink one. Ganda din ito. And here's another vintage one. Pink one. Oh, papalitan natin ito. Lalabat. Bango naman siya. Amoy siya, USA. Parang amoy package na galing sa US. Ganun siya, yung amoy niya. Yan. Cute niya, pink din. And I have the shoes for her kasi vintage. We're going to, pink sana, but we will try to matchy, Kasi may black kasi yung niya. This is the shoes, the vintage shoes. Ay, sorry, Ken. So, we'll do a separate video. Yan, kasya. Iba talaga pag vintage, Maliligo yan siya later. Yan. This is what vintage fit looks like. Yan. Ganun siya. Oh, this is Midge. Yan. But this is not her dress. I don't know ano yung dress niya. Hanapin pa natin online. At ang ganda ng shoes, ha? Oh, yan. And there you go, guys. So, we are going to do some separate videos. With this, excited din ako nito. May Nicki Minaj to. So, abangan sa part 2 na video na unboxing ko. This will be the part 1. Ciao!